Discover the secret to reversing aging. Recent studies indicate that incorporating regular exercise into your routine can be a potent antidote, slowing the aging process and revitalizing your body. Join me in this video as I unveil 7 transformative exercises guaranteed to turn back the hands of time. Stay tuned for the 5th exercise, it's a game changer. Don't miss out, watch till the end. Let's dive in. 1. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a dynamic cardiovascular exercise that involves continuously jumping over a rope while swinging it around your body, engaging both your upper and lower body. This full body workout targets the legs, core, arms, and shoulders. It improves cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and oxygen consumption and enhances coordination, agility, and bone density. Jumping rope is also a highly efficient calorie burner, making it excellent for weight management and overall fitness. Regularly incorporating jumping rope into your routine can improve cardiovascular endurance, boost mood, and increase bone density, all contributing to a youthful and vibrant lifestyle. 2. Lunges. Lunges are a fundamental lower body exercise that primarily targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. They involve stepping forward or backward with one leg while lowering the body until the front thigh is parallel to the ground, then pushing back up to the starting position. Lunges strengthen and tone the muscles of the lower body, improve balance, stability, and functional movement patterns, and promote hip flexibility and joint mobility. By targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously, lunges help improve overall lower body strength, essential for maintaining mobility and independence as we age. 3. Running. Whether you prefer a leisurely jog or an adrenaline-pumping sprint, running is a fantastic way to turn back the clock on aging. Running is a high-impact aerobic exercise that involves moving at a rapid pace by repeatedly lifting and lowering the feet while propelling oneself forward. It elevates heart rate, burns calories, and improves cardiovascular endurance. Running stimulates the release of endorphins, promoting feelings of happiness and well-being, making it an effective stress reliever and mood booster. Additionally, running strengthens bones, muscles, and connective tissues, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and age-related muscle loss, and enhancing lung function and oxygen uptake, contributing to longevity and vitality. 4. Cycling. Whether you prefer scenic rides outdoors or a stationary bike in the comfort of your home, cycling offers a multitude of benefits for aging bodies. Cycling is a low-impact aerobic exercise that involves pedaling a bicycle, either outdoors or on a stationary bike. It provides a challenging cardiovascular workout while being gentle on the joints, making it suitable for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Cycling strengthens the lower body muscles, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, while also engaging the core and upper body for stability and support. It improves cardiovascular health, increases heart rate and blood circulation, and is an effective calorie burner. Outdoor cycling also promotes mental well-being by exposing individuals to fresh air, sunlight, and nature, reducing stress levels. 5. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a full-body calisthenic exercise that involves jumping while spreading the legs and arms apart, then returning to the starting position with the legs together and arms by the sides. They provide a cardiovascular workout that elevates heart rate, burns calories, and improves endurance. Jumping jacks engage multiple muscle groups, including the legs, arms, shoulders, and core, making them a time-efficient option for total body conditioning. They enhance coordination, agility, and proprioception, essential for balance and mobility, and stimulate lymphatic drainage, promoting detoxification and improving immune function. 6. Tricep dips. As we age, maintaining upper body strength becomes increasingly important for performing daily tasks with ease. Tricep dips are a bodyweight exercise that targets the often neglected triceps muscles, helping to sculpt strong, toned arms. They involve lowering and raising the body using the arms while positioned on a stable surface, such as a chair or bench. Tricep dips strengthen and tone the triceps, shoulders, chest, and core. Strong triceps are essential for pushing movements and everyday activities, such as lifting and carrying objects. Incorporating tricep dips into your routine can improve upper body strength, enhance muscular endurance, and reduce the risk of shoulder and arm injuries. 7. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength training with cardiovascular conditioning, making them a powerhouse move for reversing the signs of aging. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat with your hands on the ground, Kick your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, jump your feet back to the squat position, and explode up into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Burpees elevate heart rate, increase calorie expenditure, and improve aerobic capacity, making them efficient for burning fat and improving fitness levels. They also build strength, power, and explosiveness, particularly in the legs, arms, chest, and core. Burpees stimulate the release of growth hormones, which are crucial for muscle repair, recovery, and regeneration. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you're not just investing in your physical health. You're investing in a brighter, more energetic future. So lace up those sneakers, grab a water bottle, and let's defy aging together. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness videos and challenges. Check out our other videos on the screen now. Until next time, stay active and awesome. Thanks for watching.